Have you ever wondered about the individuals who cast the decisive votes for the President of the United States, often long after Election Day? These aren't just ordinary citizens, and their roles are incredibly specific. A presidential elector is an individual chosen by their state to formally cast electoral votes for president and vice president. While each state has specific processes for selecting them, federal law and constitutional principles lay out clear eligibility criteria, ensuring that these crucial roles are filled by specific types of individuals and not just anyone. The primary reason for these eligibility rules stems from the framers' intent for the Electoral College. They wanted to create a body of informed, independent-thinking individuals who could make a considered judgment, rather than simply rubber-stamping the popular vote. This is why the Constitution explicitly prohibits certain federal office holders from serving as electors, aiming to prevent undue influence or conflicts of interest from within the federal government itself. Specifically, Article 2, Section 1 of the Constitution states that no senator, representative, or person holding an office of trust or profit under the United States can be appointed as an elector. This means that if you are currently serving in Congress or hold a federal job like a cabinet secretary, a federal judge, or a commissioned officer in the military, you are not eligible to be a presidential elector. This strict separation helps maintain the integrity and independence of the electoral vote process. It is also important to understand that while federal law sets these disqualifications, state laws govern the actual selection of electors. Each state typically has procedures where political parties nominate slates of electors, often choosing party loyalists, state officials, or individuals with a history of distinguished service to the party. These individuals are usually expected to vote for their party's presidential and vice presidential candidates if that ticket wins the popular vote in their state. The term faithless elector refers to an elector who casts a vote for someone other than the candidate they pledge to support, although many states now have laws or penalties to prevent this. So, understanding who can and cannot serve as a presidential elector offers a fascinating glimpse into the careful balance the founders sought to strike within our electoral system. It underscores a design that prioritizes independence and safeguards against potential manipulation, reinforcing the idea that the Electoral College is a distinct and vital component of our democratic process, entrusted to individuals free from direct federal influence.